Welcome to the Microsoft Excel Mastery course, your complete guide to unlocking the true power of Excel. Whether you're a student, professional, or freelancer, this course will take you from beginner basics to advanced data analysis, step by step, with practical examples. We'll start in Lesson 1 with an introduction to Microsoft Excel, where you'll explore the interface, ribbons, and essential tools. Then, in Lesson 2, you'll learn basic Excel operations, how to enter, edit, and organize your data with confidence. In Lesson 3, we'll focus on formatting worksheets, making your data clear, professional, and visually appealing. Then, Lesson 4 introduces basic formulas and functions, the foundation of all Excel work. Moving ahead, Lesson 5 covers data management basics, while Lesson 6 teaches you to work with multiple worksheets efficiently. Next, we'll explore Excel's most useful formulas. Lesson 7 on text functions, Lesson 8 on logical functions, Lesson 9 on lookup and reference functions, and Lesson 10 on date and time functions. Then comes Lesson 11, where we dive into mathematical and statistical functions, perfect for data analysis. From Lesson 12 and 13, we'll master data visualization, learning how to create powerful charts and advanced visuals. In Lesson 14, you'll discover how to work with tables, and in Lesson 15, how to summarize data using PivotTables and pivot charts. We'll also cover essential data analysis tools in Lesson 16 and boost your productivity with Excel shortcuts and efficiency tips in Strong Lesson 17. In Strong Lesson 18, we'll secure and collaborate with workbook protection and sharing. Then, in Strong Lesson 19, we'll explore automation with macros, letting Excel work for you. Finally, Strong Lesson 20 brings everything together with practical projects. Real-world exercises to strengthen your Excel skills. By the end of this course, you won't just use Excel, you'll master it. Let's get started and transform the way you work with data, one function at a time.